The boy who could talk to birds. Lion always loved birds. Every morning he sat on his porch watching the sparrows hop around and the robins sing their cheerful tunes. But one day something strange happened as he whistled along with the blue jay. The bird turned its head and chirped. You understand me? Lion gasped. Had he just heard the bird speak? He nodded slowly. I think so, he whispered. The blue jay fluttered closer. Then you must help us. The old oak tree where we nest is about to be cut down. Lion's eyes widened. The big oak tree in the park. It was home to dozens of birds. He had to do something. He ran to the park and saw workers getting ready to chop the tree. He shouted, Wait, there are birds living here. One of the workers sighed, Sorry, kid, but this tree is old and weak. It has to go. Lion looked up at the branches. The birds chirped nervously. Then he had an idea. He turned to the workers. What if we build bird houses instead? That way the birds still have a home. The workers thought about it. Finally, one of them smiled. That's a great idea. We'll build bird houses around the park. Lion beamed. The birds chirped happily, thanking him in their own special way. From that day on, Lion wasn't just a boy who loved birds. He was their friend and protector. And whenever he whistled, the birds always answered back.